disasters. Being the status quo, we need to continue eradicate of education in our next generation. I also personally believe that disaster preparedness, both in natural and man-made disasters, should be integrated as a knowledge base into our current, a little bit outdated, education system. We should teach our kids. It's all about prevention, preparedness, protection, personal and social responsibility to stay safe in this world. We should be there for idea. Look at your left, look at your right now. I'm not trying to teach geographic here, or population, or anything like magnitude.
You're right, but for those of you, all of you in fact.
Question, I'm going to break it up into 3 different groups. We get into the panic mode.
Yeah.
When people are panicked, we panic. But because you are going to be training this more and more, right? It's going to be start thinking, starting today, thinking about alternative